Are you ready to follow me into the sweetest place of this Christmas? Cozy house hidden in a snowy forest where owls, reindeers, and rabbits live in harmony. Where Santa whispers wishes under the moonlight. Welcome to the Owl's house. And now open the pages with me. An owl guarding the silence of the night. A warm cabin waiting for someone to come home. These papers aren't just for crafting. They are for remembering, for imagining, for keeping the magic alive. Discover the magic of our new junk journal. Cardstock, stickers, cutouts, everything you need to tell your own story. And look how easy it is. From wooden shapes to silicone molds so detailed. From soft rice papers to rub-ons and dreamy stencils. Because this is not just a collection, it's a warm hug, a snowy walk, a peaceful escape. Turn your memories into a real daydream. Give them life and keep them safe with Owl's House by Stamperia.